Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data insights with Tableau Prep, full guide step by step clearly. Open Tableau Prep and create a new flow to get started. Connect to your data source by selecting the appropriate connector. Import the data you want to analyze into Tableau Prep. Once the data is loaded, click on the Clean step to prepare it for analysis. Review the data structure displayed in the preview pane. Identify any inconsistencies or duplicates in your dataset. Use the cleaning options to remove duplicates and correct any errors. Rename columns for better understanding if necessary. Filter out any irrelevant data that won't contribute to your insights. Next, create calculated fields to derive meaningful metrics from your data. Employ aggregation methods to summarize your data as needed. Utilize the pivot feature to restructure your data for improved analysis. After cleaning and transforming your data, move to the output step. Choose your file format and destination for exporting your clean data. If needed, set up scheduling options for regular updates to your data flow. Finally, click on Run Flow to execute the transformations and export your data. Review the exported data in your target format to ensure everything is correct. You have now effectively optimized data insights using Tableau Prep. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.